So good morning, everybody. Hello, students. Am I audible? Am I audible to you all? Please chat or just unmute your mic and just speak it for 1 minute. Am I audible? Okay. Now, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is relations and functions of class 11. Okay. So in that, first one will come, that is ordered pair. A pair of object which is listed in a specific order is called ordered pair, listed in a specific order. For example, A, B, C, D, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that in a specific order. If it is arranged, then it is what we call it as ordered pair. And if it is written, it is written by the list of two objects in the specified order, separating by a comma and enclosing a pair of parentheses. Means, for example, here it is given that 5 and 7 is ordered pair with 5 as a first element and 7 as a second element. And according to the rules, it is comma is present in between the two elements, or you can say two members. Now, ordered pair are said to be equal if they are corresponding elements are equal, that is A is equal to C and B is equal to D. For example, from the first element of the first bracket and second element of the first element of the second bracket and second element of the first, second element of the second, we call it as the ordered pair. Okay, so this is what we call it as equal ordered pair. Understood now? Now next one, the set AB and BA are equal, but ordered pairs are what? AB and BA are not equal. Why? Because A and B are entirely different. Suppose if the second group is reversed, then only I can say that it is a ordered pair. Otherwise, it is not a ordered pair. They are not equal. Okay. Yes. So just I wanted to start with some basics. So it is the basics, and still some more are there. So one or two I will explain. Remaining all, let me start with the examples. Okay. So in the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B defined as a set of ordered pairs AB, where A is belongs to capital A and B is belongs to capital B. Okay. Then the Cartesian product is what we denoted by A cross B. So that is what AB, that is where A is belongs to A and B is belongs to B. Then if A is 2, 4, 6 and B is 1, 2, then what happens with the what the relation we will establish with the A cross B? Let me try to understand. So it is what? A cross B. A cross B means what it is? It is A first element of the first, first element of the second. So 2 comma 1, next 2 comma 2. Similarly, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2. So like this way, these all we call it as Cartesian products. So, and it is A cross B. B cross A in the sense exactly reverse of that. So first element of the second group with the first element of the first group. So that is 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, like that it will come. Okay. So next one, numbers of a relation. Okay. So number of a relation in the relations in the sense, let A and B be the two non-empty finite sets. Finite, it is an important word here. Why? Because we are dealing with only finite members here. Finite sets and consisting of M and N are the elements. So A cross B is what? Nothing but the M into N, that is Mn. Then total number of subsets of A cross B is 2Mn, 2 raised to Mn, since each relation of the AB is subset of A cross B. So total number of relations from A to B is 2 raised to M into N. For example, here it is given that A is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8 and R is x into 2x plus 1, where x belongs to A. When x is equal to 1, substitute the x as 1 in the given equation, we will get the 3. So that is 1 into second comma is 3, that is 1 comma 3. Second is 2, substitute, we will get the answer as 5. And second element of the first bracket second element of the second, we got it as 5. So both including together when we write, so it is 2 comma 5. So these are the some examples based on the number of relations. So that is various relations. I hope you know that in the last year you learned that it is 1 1 1 2 1 to 1 load. So these are the various relations what we can understand on the basis of the relations and functions. So let me start with one of the examples. Okay, shall we start? Shall we start? Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible? Please chat. Okay. Yes. So now, question number 30. So question number 30 says that if A is, the set A is X such that X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0 and B is 2 comma 4 and C set is 4 comma 5, then A cross B intersection C is what? Okay, I will erase the previous drawings. Yes. So there are four options are there. That is A cross B intersection C is what? That is first one is that is 2 4 and 3 4. Second option is 4 2 and 4 3, and third option is C, that is 2 4 3 4 and 4 4, and fourth option is 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. So try to give the answer. 10 seconds for this. Only 10 seconds. Which option is right? Which option is correct? Okay, someone has started giving the answer. X, and someone has written wrong. Swati M has given C, C, C. Okay, option C is the correct one. Some are given. So let me try to solve this. So it is A is given that, yeah. So A is what? X square minus 5x plus 6. Try to solve this, resolve this, and you will get the two different numbers for the x. That is two roots of the given equation. This equation when you solve, you will get the answer as what? A is equal to 2 comma 3. A is equal to, that is 2 comma 3. When you resolve this, that is a minus 5x is a sum and 3 2s are minus 3 minus 2. So when you solve for x, 2 and 3 it will become, that is 3 2s are 6, minus 3 minus 2 it will become minus 5. So minus 2 minus 3 in the sense it will become plus 2 and plus 3. So then next one it is b is equal to, it is already given. I will not write much more on this, and c is already, it is given here 4 and 5. Okay, so when you resolve this, that is B intersection C. First you target for this. B intersection C is what? What is B intersection C? B and C, which is a common element here. B and C. 4 is a common element. So B intersection C will gives us only 4. Okay. So A into that. Next, A into, what is A? That is 2 comma 3. Okay. 2 comma 3 into B intersection C. So you can write like this. That is 2 intersection, that is 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4, and sorry, it is a 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is the A into, second is what? Common element B intersection C, that is 4. So just write it in a ordered pair, that is 2 comma 4 is the first one. Second one is 3 comma 4. So this is 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4. Option A is the correct answer. Some has given the wrong. Please make it correct. Option A is the correct answer. Jyoti is given C is the option. No, C is not. I think it is not the right answer. So option A is the correct one. Okay. 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4. I hope you understood now. Is that clear? Next one. Please take the screenshot or just write it down fast. Hardly 5 to 6 seconds I can give for this. And students, please try to less in the CET. Don't write more in detail. Nobody will ask you how you got the answer. Just use some tricks. That is, for example, here I will just show one small trick for this. This is x square minus 5x plus 6. So you want what is the root? You want the only roots of the that is this equation, that is x values. So 3 2s are 6 minus 3 minus 2. It will become minus 5. So minus 3 minus 2, when you get, reverse this. Inverse of this you have to write, additive inverse. That is 3 and 2. So that will be the answer. Is that clear? So don't write in detail like 10th standard wise and 11th standard wise. Don't write in detail. Try to make it in a shortcut. Okay. So next one, question number. I'll move to the next question. Yes. Yes. If A is 1 0 0 1 and B is 1 0, then A cross B is what? Quick answer. Direct question it is. If A is 0 1, B is 1 0, what is A cross B? C. A cross A. Exactly. A and B both are what? They are equal. So I can write it as what? A cross A. Why? Because 0, 1, 1, 0, when you take the product of these two, you will get the A cross A. Means A is equal to B itself. So that we can say that is A cross A is the answer. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Okay. Now next. Next question. Yes. If A is 1, 2 and B is 0, 1, and then A cross B is what? Here the options are different. Please make it correct and just try to solve this. Again, 5 to 6 seconds I will give you. Quick answer I need. What is A cross B? Option B, option A, some are giving. So it is A cross B is just, it is 1 0. Correct? 1 0. First is 1 0. It is present here, 1 0. Second, 1 1. 1 1 is also present. Third option, 2 0. Yes. And fourth option, 2 1. All elements are present in the option A. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Some of you are giving the wrong answer. Please make it correct. I showed you. Take the individual elements or the members of the each set and multiply that with the second in ordered wise. Okay. Yes, yes. Birappa in the YouTube channel, it is Birappa Lakshmi. I think your wrong answer, Malik Arjun. Yes, it is correct. Absolutely. Many of you are giving the right answer. Next one. I'll move to the next question now. Yes. If cardinality, that is n of A is 3, n of B is 4, what is the n of A into B? 5 seconds. N of A is 3, n of B is 4. That is, what is n of A into A? What A into B? Sorry, A into B. Quick. Fast. If n of A is 3, B is 4, then what is n of A into B? Quick, quick. Yes, it's very simple. If you multiply those numbers according to the question, then it is what? It is 3 into 3. N of A is 3. Again, A is 3, B is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 4 is 36. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Yes. Next one. I'll move to the next question. Yes. Yes. Next one is the domain of the relation R is 1, 3, 3, 5, and 2, 6 is what? The domain of the relation, R. So, domain of the relation. Many of you have given the answer B, 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 B. Let me see that. Domain of the relation R is nothing but 1, 3, and 2. 1, 3, and 2. These are the relation. But if you mark in the exam option A, it's a wrong. Why? Because it is not representing the set. So that you have to write the option B as the correct answer. 1, 3, 2. Or you can say 1, 2, 3. Both are correct. Okay. Then next one. Option B is the right answer over here. Okay. The next. Yes. YouTube students are also representing correct answer, but I think some of you give the D as the answer for 40. Wrong. It is B is the correct answer. SP Ganesh, Rashmi. Okay, please make it correct. The next one. Next question. That is yes. So next question is in the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a relation R is defined by R is xy such that x comma y belongs to A and x is less than y. Then R is, the options are reflexive, symmetry, and transitive, and all are equivalent relations. An equivalence relation. So just try to give the answer for this. Jyoti has given the D as the option. No. No students. Just try to understand. Just think it. Don't suddenly give the answer in by taking fast decision. Just try to understand the question. In a set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A relation R is defined by R such R of x and y such that, or x comma y such that x and y both are related to, that is belongs to A and x is less than y. So try to understand. So now I start giving the explanation for this. you can see that x is neither less than or say equal to x. So R is not a reflexive. So this option is got cancelled. Correct? X is neither less than or equal to x. Okay, next. So R is not a reflexive. Try to solve this by the elimination method. Okay, then x is less than y, which does not imply that y is less than x. Correct? It is clearly mentioned that x is less than y. Means what? Y is not less than x. So R is not a symmetric. Symmetric is also rules is cancelled. Then next one is what? It is R. Okay. So x of ry and y of rz. So it is, you can say that y is less than z, which implies x is also less than z. So R is only transitive. Option C is the correct answer, and equivalence relation is what also failed. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Option C is the correct answer. No. Option C is the correct answer. Please make it correct. The next question. Okay, next question. That is, yes. If R is subset of A cross B and S is subset of B cross C, then two relations be the two relations, then S composition R of the whole inverse is what? This is an important question. Please try to understand and try to solve this. So what will be the answer? Option B. Yes, 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 exactly. It is nothing but a reverse of the composition, and the inverse will be taken for the individual. That is R inverse composition of S inverse. That is the answer. Option B is the correct one. Yes, SP Ganesh has given the correct answer from the YouTube. And many, Mallikarjun B is given the correct answer. Yes, exactly. Your answers are right. Yes, next one. Yes, 40, next question. If the function f of x is given as f of x is equal to x minus 3x plus 2 for all x belongs to R, then f of minus 1 is what? And it is misprinted. Please make it option A. This is the option A. It is. Okay. Yes. Option A is 6, B is 0, C is 2, and D is 8. Substitute. It's very direct question. It is f of x. Instead of x, you have to substitute as minus in the given equation. What is the answer? Quick. And here also it is, please, it is misprinted. It is x square. It is x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Yes, it is minus 1 square. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. What is the answer? It is 1 plus 3 plus 2. That is 6. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Yes, Birappa and Lakshmi Horkeri from the YouTube channel, they are also giving the correct answer. And here also, yes, exactly. Anvit has given the right answer. Some questions in the direct CET also, they may ask direct questions, but you have to understand that because sometimes under the impression of something, complications may arise. Such simple question may not be asking. Some students will be like, in that vision, please make it simplification and try to solve. Okay. Because sometimes in the CET, all the time, sometimes they may ask some questions, very few questions, direct also. Okay. Next question. Yes, next question. It is on the screen. If a function f of x is given as f of x is x square minus 3x plus 2, again same, for all x belongs to R, then f of a plus h is what? Again, 10 seconds time for you. Try to solve this and give the answer. Swati M already given the answer as B. Okay, students. So it is clearly given that f of x is, that is x square minus 3x plus 2. And wherever x is there, simply instead of in the last question, you substituted as -1. Instead of x, you have to substitute here what? A plus h. That's it. If you substitute a plus h, what will happen to the equation? So that is a plus h the whole square minus 3 into bracket a plus h plus 2. So a plus b the whole square, expand it quickly. So that is a square plus 2ah plus b square minus 3a plus minus 3ah plus 2. So it is a square plus h square, and it is minus 3h, means that is ah, again it is plus 2 minus 3a. So which option is suitable for this? Check it out the answer. Option C or B. Please make sure option C is the correct answer. Okay. A square h square, a square h square, 2a So if you take the common in this, it is 2a minus 3 into h plus 2 plus h square. This is the correct answer. Next one. Next question. If f of x is a x plus 6, then f of 1 is 11, then what is a? Find the value of a. 6, 17, 11, 5. These are the options are given. So just think it out fast. Option D as the correct answer it is given. Option D, exactly. So if you substitute it as f of 1, f of 1, f of 1 is what? It is clearly it is given that it is 11. So which implies that what? That is 11 is equal to a plus f of 1. X is 1 in the sense. Remaining is what? A plus 6. So a is 5. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Please write it down. Those who are not given the answer, please write it down or just take the screenshot. Okay, next one. Next question, that is 50. A function f is said to be even if f of x is minus f of x, f of minus c into f of minus x is minus f of x, f of minus x is minus f of x, then none of this. Direct question. C. No, C is not the answer. See, a function f is said to be even, it is given. It is clearly mentioned that a function f is said to be even. Even in the sense f of minus c, product of two terms when it is replaced by one term, so that two functions are said to be, a function f is said to be even. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Why? Because see, f of minus c, f of minus x, minus f of x in the sense it is a relation going to be established with a even respect to, that is minus and minus, so that minus f of minus c minus, sorry, f of minus x is minus f of x. Okay, so make it correct this, because many of you have given the answer in a different way, so please make it correct. So that is f of minus c into f of minus x is minus f of x. The next question. Yes, now If f of x is 4x minus x square, then f of a plus 1 minus f of a minus 1 is what? The options are given here. Just try to understand and try to give the answer. 10 seconds time. Will know. Make it fast. So when it is given f of x is 4 of x minus x square. So if instead of x, we have to take it as a plus 1 and a minus 1. That's it. So you can write it like this. So that is f of that is given that it is a plus 1 and f of a minus 1. It is minus relation. So that 4 of x is what? A plus 1 minus a minus 1 the whole square. Why? Because x square is there. A minus 1 the square minus 4 of that is a minus 1 minus a minus 1 the square, because I took the minus as a common out here. Okay. So minus into minus, it will become plus. So what is the answer here? 4 of. So if you simplify this, it will become 4 of 2 minus a is the answer. So it is option A is the correct one. Okay. Yes, Mallikarjun, Veerappa, continuously are giving the correct answers. Good one. And still remaining, many of you are trying very good, but really, very closely your answers are right, but accurate we needed. So still you have to struggle hard so that you will get the correct answer. Okay. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Next one. Yes. Next question is, that is the function f from R to R such that f of x is 1 if x is greater than 1, f of x will be 0 if x is equal to 0, f of x is minus 1 if x is less than 0, is what type of a function? That is rational function, modulus function, segment function, sine function. What type of function it is? What type of function? Yes, exactly. It is a clearly modulus function. Many of you have given the correct answer for this. It is the option B is the correct answer. Because R to R is 1, 0, minus 1. When function from same function, the function should be modulus function. So It is the option B is the correct answer. Yes, yes, yes. Sneha is given the correct answer, Swati, and many students are given the correct answers. Uh, and in the YouTube channel also many students are getting the correct answer here. Lakshmi Hukeri, I think your answer is wrong. It is the modulus function. Okay. Next question. Question number 57. That is, let f from R to R and g from R to R given by f of x is x square, g of x is x cube plus 1. Then f composition g of x is what? I hope you understood the question. F composition g of x is what? When f of x is x square, g of x is x cube plus 1. Jyoti has given the option D as the correct answer. Let me see. So it is. F composition g of x is what? It is nothing but f composition g of x. F composition g of x is nothing but f of g of x. Okay. What is f of g of x? F of g of x is nothing but f of what is g of x? Substituted. That is x cube plus 1. Okay. But what is f of x is x square. So it is nothing but x square. So it is x cube plus 1 the whole square. So option D is the correct one. Option D is the correct answer. G of x is value is given over here. Just you substitute that. Okay. Option D. Yes. Anvit has given the correct answer. Swati, I think your answer is wrong. Just make it correct. Yes, Ganesh from the YouTube channel, Ganesh and Mudimala. Many of you have given the correct answer. And some due to confusion, you may want to the wrong answer, I think. Just make it correct. Yes, next one. We move on to the next question now. Okay. Next question is like this. The diagram given below shows that the diagram is given over here. Just check the diagram. F from A to B it is. It is the set A and it is the set B. It is F from A to B. It is given. What type of function it shows? Whether it's A to B is a F is a function from A to B. F is one function from A to B. F is bijection from A to B. F is not a function. Just try to give the answer for this. For the M, S, no, S, what is? Please make it correct. Give the correct answers now, fast. See here, F, it is A to 3, C to 1. Okay. A function from A to B is showing that here. In the diagram, it is clearly showing that A to 3 and C to 1 it is showing. Okay. So F of B, what about F of B now? It is F of A. A to 3 is F of A. If you think that F of C is what? It is nothing but C to 1. But what about F of B? F of B is not defined, means it is not a function. Option D is the correct answer. F of B is not defined. F of B is not defined. Therefore, F is not function. You can write it down. Sometime only by diagrammatically, if I write like this, you'll not understand. So I wrote this definition. You write it down if you want. B option is not, no. From Birappa, it is wrong answer. Mallikarjun, wrong answer. Please make it correct. F of B is not a function because F of B is not defined. When a function is not defined, F will not rise any function. Please make it correct. One minute, friends. Okay, move on to the next question now. Okay, Jyoti, but we have to cover all the questions. Jyoti has given that same questions. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ತರ questions ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ, but we have to cover many different type of questions. Okay, I'll try to cover. Yes. Next. Next question is, if f of x is 1 minus 1 upon x, then what is f of 1 upon x? F of x is given that it is 1 minus 1 upon x. Then we have to get the value for f of 1 upon x. Okay, please try to solve this. F of 1 upon x means what? It is f of what is inside this, that is f of 1 upon x. It is nothing but 1 minus 1 upon x. Okay, why? Because f of not x is given, f of 1 upon x is given, so that denominator goes to numerator, so that f of 1 minus 1 upon x. Okay, next. So f of, what is the meaning of this? F of 1 minus x, which will gives us x upon x minus x. Okay, it's very simple. X upon x minus, sorry, it is 1 1 1 1. x upon x I wrote, it is x minus 1 it is. Sorry. So f of the function will give the answer as x upon 1 x minus 1. So x upon x minus 1 is the option D. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. No. Some of you are giving the answer as D. D, between the difference between D and C is here. X upon x minus 1 is the correct answer. Please check the answer. Then D answer is 1 upon x minus 1. Entirely it will get changed. Option C is the correct answer. Nagappa Gantnur, just to make it correct, it's not D, it's C. You are given 1 upon x minus 1 as the answer, but answer is x upon x minus 1, okay? And if you don't know how to solve this step, try to practice in the home in detail. It will take 2 steps extra, but in the CET it is not allowed. Make it fast, okay? To solve the given problem in a very less time, we have to use the shortcut methods, okay? Methods in the sense here there is no method. You have to calculate it fast. That's it, okay? Next question. Yes. Domain of the function f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 upon x square plus x minus 6 is what? What is the domain of this function? It's quick. Try to solve this. So it is product is 2 and sum and addition and subtraction, that is sum or difference should be minus 3. So it is minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 in the sense what? It is x plus 2 x plus 1. I said that its roots are minus 2. It is minus 2. If you resolve this, it will get the minus 2x minus x. So means what? Minus x will become plus x. Minus 2 will become plus 2. Okay. Upon. For this is how much? Minus in the sense x minus 2, x plus 3. Sorry, just wait for a minute, students. I did a mistake here. 1 minute. Yes. I'll do some changes here. Yes, it is. It is nothing but x minus 2, x minus 1 it is. Okay. Now, try to understand this. What is the domain of the function now? What is the domain of the function? So what is domain? Domain is nothing but what? It is x is not equal to plus 2. X is not equal to minus 3. So option D is the correct answer. X is not equal to plus 2. X is not equal to minus 3. So it is the domain of the function, that is x, such that x belongs to R. where x is not equal to 2, x is not equal to minus 3. Because some other functions are also going to exist there. So because of that, it is not a function. It is not a domain. Remainings are not the domain. So that domain of the function is x is not equal to 2, x is not equal to minus 3. Option C. Some of you given the option C. Lakshmi Horkeri. I think it is wrong. Because x is yeah. Domain in the sense what? From where the function is going to run. What is the value of x here? X we are getting 2, x we are getting 2 here, x is we are getting 1, x is we are getting 2, x is equal to minus 3 over here. So these are not the only two values. The remaining 1 and 2 are also values. So because of that, these are also getting the domain. So because of that, x is not equal to 2. These are the domain. So domain, how to find instance? You have to find the value of x. So that you have to get all the values of x, then only we can consider it as a domain. Next question. Yes, next question, students. That is, if f of x is 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7, g of x is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3, then f of g of x is equal to what? Fast, direct question it is. Try to solve and give the answer. What is f of g of x? According to the question, substituted and try to get the answer. F of g of x. So 3 into g of x plus 4, you keep it outside. Correct? In this equation. Then 5 into, similarly, 5 into x is, we want g of x. That is g of x minus 7. Try to solve this. That is 3 into g of x is how much? First in the numerator, that is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Then it is denominator. Then for the whole denominator, 5 into bracket again 7x plus 4, 5x minus 3, that is the denominator. 5x minus 3. And after completion of this bracket, and write it down as it is, that is plus 4 and minus 7. Try to resolve this, you will get the answer. Some of you given the answer as minus x. No. Answer as minus x is not the correct answer. It is x is the answer for this. B. SP Ganesh, Mallikarjun, Birappa. Many of you have given the right answers. So option B is the correct answer for this. That is X. Yes. X is the correct answer. Next question is. Next question. If A, B, C, D, that is set A, and the set B is 1, 2, 3, which one of the following is relation from A to B? Which one is the relation from A to B? So what is the answer? Option D. No. Option D is not the answer. Option D is not the answer. Try to find the A cross B. You will come to know. I'll give one small hint. Try to find the A cross B. So it is A1, B2, and it is D3. A1, B2, D3, and it is nothing but B3. So R2 is just a subset of A cross B, because A1 to this, if we combine this, we will get R2 is a subset of A cross B, product of this. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So it is a relation from A to B, you can say. Relation from A to B is this. Okay, students. So we have solved some important problems which may ask in the CET on the basis of relations and functions, and still many more questions we will get in the different notes and the videos. So keep on solving some questions on this so that you can become master best before the CET. So we'll wind up today's session at this stage, and tomorrow's session we'll start with the one more new topic. So till that, keep on practicing these all the questions. Okay, bye.